How to mute Viber calls. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Viber on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down and click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, click on Calls and Messages. In Calls and Messages, you'll find Viber and Calls, which is receive regular incoming calls with Viber when possible. If there is tick mark, that basically means your Viber calls are unmuted. Simply click on it to mute. Make sure there's no tick mark in the circle in Viber and calls option. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to mute Viber calls. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.